Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to format your data in Microsoft Word. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I have very simple example. There are three columns: branch name, quantity, and sale. First of all, if I want to bold these words, I will select those letters, select those cells, and then from the option within the Home tab, there is a font option here, and within the font section, there is a bold option with B. If I press this one, it will bold those words for me. Control Z to go back. If I want to use shortcut key, the shortcut key to bold the words, the letters is Control B. I can make my words bold with the help of shortcut key. The next one is italic. If I want to change any letter or numeric in italic design, I will select those cells, and then from here you can see the option I. If I click this one, it will make those numerics in italic design. Control Z to go back. Again, if I want to use the shortcut key, first select those cells and then press Control I, and it will make those numerics italic for me. So next one is underline. If I want to underline any words, any numeric, so I will select those numerics. And then from the option here, you can see the U. If I press this one, it will make those numerics underline for me. So if I select those cells again, and you can see there is a node on the side, there are other options as well. For the time being, I'm just using underline option. So again, if I want to use the shortcut key, first I will press Control Z to go back, and then I will select those cells and then press Control U, and it will underline those numerics for me. The next one is strike through. If I want to strike through any word, so I will select those words, and then from here you can see next to the U option there is a strike through option. If I click this one, it will strike through those letters for me. So again, Control Z to go back. If I want to use any shortcut key to strike through those words, so then I will select those words and then press Alt H4, and this shortcut will make those words strike through. So this is how you can quickly format your data in Microsoft Word. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. And I have the Excel beginner course in my first comment, so you can enroll in course and start your Excel journey.